P&H 2800 rope shovels excavator. P&H 2800 rope shovels excavator.
The P&H 2800 is an iconic electric mining shovel with a bucket capacity of 28 cubic meters and an operational weight of around 1,260 tons. Known for its reliability and efficiency, the P&H 2800 is equipped with a rugged frame, robust mechanical systems, and state-of-the-art electrical controls. Its DC-powered motors provide exceptional digging power and smooth operation. The design focuses on maximizing productivity while minimizing maintenance, making it a preferred choice in large-scale mining operations.
Volvo SD135. Volvo SD135.
The Volvo SD135 is a vibratory roller with an operating weight of 13,300 kilograms, powered by a 110 kilowatts, 148 horsepower engine and generating a centrifugal force of 280 knots. With a working width of 2,134 millimeters, this roller combines a powerful engine with a high-quality vibration system to achieve optimal compaction performance. The intelligent control system and sturdy frame ensure the SD135 operates reliably and safely under all job site conditions.
Tatra Phoenix 8x8 off-road bus. Tatra Phoenix 8x8 off-road bus.
The Tatra Phoenix 8x8 is a premium off-road bus with an 8-wheel drive system, providing stable operation on all types of terrains, from rugged mountain paths to flooded areas. The bus is equipped with a powerful engine and independent pneumatic suspension for each wheel, reducing vibrations and enhancing passenger comfort. The Tatra Phoenix 8x8 also boasts a modern interior design, with comfortable seating and advanced entertainment systems, making it suitable for long and challenging journeys.
CAT 6120.
The CAT 6120 is a leading hydraulic mining shovel designed to excel in the toughest mining and excavation environments. Its structure features a reinforced chassis, a reliable track system, and a powerful hydraulic arm with a large capacity bucket. Powered by twin diesel engines and advanced hydraulic systems, the 6120 provides exceptional power and precision in its operations. The primary functions of this shovel include extensive material excavation, heavy lifting, and loading haul trucks efficiently. It is particularly well suited for tasks such as open pit mining, quarrying, and large-scale earth moving, making it an indispensable asset for large mining operations and construction projects. Its robust design and high performance ensure reliable and efficient operation in the most demanding conditions.
JCB 116 soil compactor. JCB 116 soil compactor.
The Cress AHT 730C is a robust off-road bus with a 6x6 drive system, designed for mining and construction operations in challenging terrains. The bus is equipped with a high-performance engine, a sturdy chassis, and an advanced suspension system, allowing it to easily traverse rough terrains. The interior of the Cress AHT 730C is designed to meet the needs of mining workers, with durable seating, ample storage space, and an efficient air conditioning system.
Dynapack CA 6500 soil compactors. Dynapack CA 6500 soil compactors.
The Dynapack CA 6500 is a large vibratory roller with an operating weight of 15,000 kilograms, powered by a 153 kilowatts, 205 horsepower engine and generating a centrifugal force of 360 knots. With a working width of 2,130 millimeters, the CA 6500 is known for its powerful compaction capabilities, fuel efficiency, and adjustable vibration system, making it ideal for large-scale road and infrastructure construction projects.
Hafelet Sowen 4x4 off-road bus. Hafelet Sowen 4x4 off-road bus.
The Hafelet Sowen 4x4 is an off-road bus specifically designed to navigate harsh environments. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine and a full-time 4x4 drive system, this bus can easily traverse rough terrains such as sand, gravel, and mud. The robust chassis, along with a multi-point suspension system, minimizes vibrations and enhances stability. Inside, the Hafelet Sowen 4x4 offers passengers comfort with its plush seating and spacious interior. The bus also features a powerful air conditioning system, making it suitable for long journeys in extreme weather conditions.
Excavator Auger.
Excavator auger is a specialized attachment for excavators designed for drilling holes in the ground. It consists of a rotating helical screw-shaped drill bit attached to the end of the excavator's arm. The excavator auger is commonly used in construction, landscaping, and utility installation projects for tasks such as drilling holes for fence posts, foundations, or tree planting.
WK55 rope shovels excavator. WK55 rope shovels excavator.
The WK55 is a high-capacity electric rope shovel, offering a bucket capacity of 55 cubic meters and an operational weight of approximately 1,600 tons. This machine is designed for extreme mining conditions, featuring a powerful AC motor, a reinforced structure, and advanced automation systems. The WK55 is engineered for high efficiency and durability, with intelligent controls that optimize its performance. Its robust construction and reliable components ensure long-term operation with minimal maintenance. Haul truck.
The haul truck is a large, heavy-duty vehicle used primarily in mining, quarrying, and construction to transport large quantities of loose materials such as soil, sand, gravel, ore, and demolition debris. These trucks are designed to handle heavy loads and rough terrain, and they often feature robust frames, powerful engines, and large cargo beds. Haul trucks come in various sizes and capacities, with some of the largest models capable of carrying hundreds of tons of material in a single load. They are essential in operations that require the movement of substantial amounts of material over long distances.